In this video, we're going to cover how to solve simultaneous equations using graphs. To recap, simultaneous equations are pairs of equations like these two that you have to solve by finding out which values of x and y work for both equations. To solve them graphically, all you need to do is plot both line equations on a graph and see where they cross. So, if we were given this question here, the first thing we need to do is plot the lines 3y plus 2x equals 12 and y equals x minus 1 then. Once we have our lines, we need to find the point where they cross or intersect each other, which is this point just here. So, because this point has an x value of 3 and a y value of 2, our solution is 3, 2, so we put x equals 3 and y equals 2 as our answer. The hardest thing with questions like this is normally just plotting the lines in the first place. So, if you're not sure how to plot straight lines, then it's worth checking out our video. On that first example, try pausing the video here and see if you understand what to do with this question. So for this one, they've already drawn the line y equals 3x minus 2 for us. So all you need to do is draw the line y equals 2x plus 1, which would look like this, and then find the coordinate of the point where they cross, which is this point here. So 3, 7, so you just put x equals 3 and y equals 7 as your answer. Bonus question now. Sometimes you can also get questions like this where they've already drawn both of the lines for you, and all you have to do is find the point of intersection, which in this case would be 2, 3. So you just put x equals 2 and y equals 3 anyway. That's everything for today's video. So if you found it helpful, then please do give us a like and subscribe, and cheers for watching.